Embattled Vice President Jejomar Binay snubs the Senate but braves an open forum with one of the country's most critical audiences, the University of the Philippines. The opposition standard-bearer takes the podium at UP Los Baños to talk about transparency, an issue challenging the candidacy of a man at the center of a corruption controversy. More relaxed than usual, the former Makati mayor trumpets his initiatives in the financial district.
Yung University of Makati is, I think, one school that always take pride to say na yung problem of unemployment ay na-solve po namin yan sa Makati dun sa pamagitan ng tinatawag po naming matching time. Kami ho ay nakikipag-coordinate sa private sector. Isang taon lang, pwede na.
But the discussion soon heats up as Binay allows a rare question and answer session ranging from agrarian reform to contractualization. Student activists ask Binay why the country's richest local government unit still has informal settlers.
Tiga Mandaluyong po ako, sir. Kapitbahay ko lang po, nag-aral po ako ng Mandaluyong.
Turo mo sa akin, nasa ng informal settler?
Hanapin niyo na po, sir, hindi niyo po yata nakikita.
Ha? Alam mo, partner, kami, siguro kung mga 3 o 5% na lang ang informal settler sa amin sa Makati. Yung...
sir, meron pa rin po. Sabi niyo po, wala eh.
Binay criticizes the Aquino administration's failure to secure a peace agreement with communist rebels and the lack of decentralization in government. But students take him to task for his own actions. Binay sat in the cabinet for 5 years before resigning in June.
Just like to manifest, sir, that I'm quite disappointed because kanina niyo pa po sinasabi na the current administration, you're detaching yourself from the current administration, whereas you are part of the current administration. So whatever you say about the current administration reflects on your performance as a current, as the current vice president of the country. So with that po, my question is still standing. Ano po yung mga concrete action steps that you have taken as part of the current administration?
Administrasyon, oo nga. Pero organizationally, I was part of the administration. Pero functionally, wala naman akong function doon. Bakit?
Students ask Binay about the killings of the Lumad and activists, but the former human rights lawyer again says these are issues beyond his previous tasks. He calls for a probe and vows to enforce the rule of law if elected president. Political ads and corruption make the exchange all the more intense.
Yung pong mga pinangbabayan niyo po sa mga patalasta sa radyo at television, is it paid for by the office of the Vice President?
No, I never do that, excuse me. Pera mo yun. Yung iba, pera namin. Yung iba, nahinga namin ng tulong. Yung iba namin kasama. Pero hindi po excuse me hindi ho gumagawa ng hindi ho yun.
Okay po sir, maraming salamat po.
Baka ho yung iba.
Binay takes the heat in stride, even posing for selfies after the event. It's one of his most open and engaging fora, but students are not satisfied with his answers to lingering corruption questions. A UP alumnus and a former activist, Binay says he entertained the questions in the spirit of transparency. But the Vice President says he still won't face the Senate for as long as his critics insist on calling him a thief. Ayu Macaraig, Rappler, Laguna.